union and intersection. Do you remember this thing from your school days? If you have two sets A and B, then the combination is called union. This common section is called an intersection. Well, set in Python offers functions to implement union, intersection, subset and many more. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session on set. In today's session, we will study how to implement these mathematical features in Python using set. Suppose we have two sets A and B with values 10, 20, 30, 40 and 40, 50, 60, 70 respectively. To make A and B's union, we will write C equal to A dot union and in bracket pass the set B. Then print the set C. Run the code. You see C contained all the values of A and B and the repeated value 40 is omitted. Listen, if you don't know what is union or intersect, please refer to your school books or Google about them. These are pretty standard concepts taught in school and colleges. We can find the union even using a pipe symbol instead of calling this union function. Just write D equal to A pipe B like this. Then print the set D. Run the code. Well, we got the union of A and B. Let's move to the intersection now. The intersection is the common element of two sets. These are our sets A and B. Now we will write C equal to A dot intersection and in bracket pass the parameter B. Then print the set C. Run the code. You see we just got 40 in the set C because 40 is the common element in set A and B. Just like union, we can even do an intersection with a symbol ampersand. Write a print statement and inside print write A ampersand B. Run the code. You see you got 40 in the output set. You can capture the output inside and then print it or directly print the intersection inside print. After union and intersection, we have difference. Difference means we will only get the values that are in A and not in B. Inside print, write A minus B. Run the code. You see, you got 10, 20, 30. Value 40 got deleted because it's present in set B. Suppose you write B minus A and run the code, then you will get all the output present in the set B and not in A. Here, we have used minus operator. Instead of minus operator, we can even use the difference function. Write a print statement and inside print A dot difference and in bracket pass the set B. Run the code. Well, we got the same output. After the difference, we have symmetric difference. Symmetric difference gives all the element except the common one. And caret, this one, symbolizes symmetric difference. Let's understand this with an example. Well, we have our two sets A and B. In the print statement, write A caret B. Run the code. You see, you got all the element except 40 because it's common. You can even use the symmetric underscore difference function instead of the caret operator. Just write a print statement and inside print write A dot symmetric underscore difference and in bracket pass the parameter B. Run the code. You see you got all the values except the common one, that is 40. Well, we studied union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Two more critical functions are pending, that is subset and superset. But we will study them in the next session. Thanks.